Good, af- Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Arjita Sarkar, and these are my teammates Aashi Tiwari, Aayush Tiwari, and Gourav Mourya. This is a major project, Vedicshala, the virtual herbal garden that empowers the motto Welcome to the Garden of Aushadhi. Vedicshala is a virtual herbal garden project that aims to create an immersive digital platform where users can explore medicinal plants in a visually engaging and informative way. With interactive 3D models, user can view each plant up close, learn about them, their medicinal benefits, and understand the traditional cultivation methods. The platform is designed with accessibility in mind, featuring two language support, that is Hindi and English, audio description, and user-friendly navigation. The project promotes awareness of Ayurveda and sustainable practices by making ancient herbal knowledge available in a modern digital format. By bridging traditional wisdom with advanced technology, the Virtual Herbal Garden offers an educational resource for anyone interested in herbal medicines and eco-friendly lifestyle. Vedicshala is a virtual herbal garden where you can find information and detailed description of the herbs and medicinal plants used in Ayurveda. Our goal is to combine technology with traditional knowledge to promote awareness and understanding of traditional herbal practices. We focus on providing the best of the best experience to user by making the information available at one platform that are gathered from the Ayurvedic books and trusted sources. 3D models can be viewed from different angles by rotating or enlarging them.
Botanical name, common name, medicinal uses, and general properties and family and methods of cultivation are available in Hindi and English language. Audio description is accessible in order to enhance the learning experience of the user. You can search or explore and have a guided virtual tour of the garden. Filter option is also available that provides categorized on the basis of health, region, flower, roots, weather, and medicinal uses. Bookmark your favorite plant. It is a sustainable technology based website that is completely dedicated to herbs and Vedas.
Of our project is to create a virtual herbal garden that provides an interactive, educational, and immersive experience to users, showcasing the diverse range of medicinal plants used in Ayush, Ayurveda, yoga, and naturopathy, Unani, Siddha, and homeopathy. This is the technology stack of our project. In the front end of our project, we are using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In the back end, in the database, we are using MySQL. For 3D model, we have using 3GS technology. AI ML tools like Mesh.ai and Leo are also used. This is the 3D view of our plant, which will be created.
Start.
So this is our comparison with existing solutions. First is existing models. Its limitation is that it has heavy text, no interactivity, minimal language support. Our advantage over that is we are providing 3D interactive models with dual language, Hindi and English, with a user-friendly experience. Second is AR Plant tab. Its limitation is it is limited to common plants like detailed medicinal information. Our advantage is it focuses on medicinal plants with Ayurvedic details and cultivational tips. Third is educational website and ebooks. Its limitation it is static content, lacks interactivity. Our advantage is virtual herbal garden for plant information, audio description with bookmark feature.
Okay, so this is our data flow diagram. So it will tell how the data flows in our virtual herbal garden. So the user firstly the user will log in, and after logging the user will open the bookmark and adding note section, and the user user login will be validated in user table, and and then user can add bookmark, and the user table has access to admin, and the admin can add or update data to the plant details and 3D models. And plant details and 3D models include more medicinal uses, regions, habitat, etc. So the user have direct access to plant data, and the plant data will provide data to the user.
This is the overview of the dataset description that we are using. First, the plant table information that contains the detail and records of each medicinal plants, including the scientific name, common name, medicinal uses, habitat, and cultivation methods. Next slide. Second, our table is the support, the multilingual support. That is, the data is available in Hindi and English with audio description for accessibility. We provide the 3D model database that contains the 3D interactive 3D models of each plant, enabling immersive visualization.
User data tracks user preferences, bookmarked plants, ensures a personalized experience with data privacy and security protocols in place. Database structure stored in a relational database optimized for quick access and secure data management. Data privacy anonymized user data with strong security protocols to protect privacy.
So the entity relationship diagram illustrates the relationship between various entities in the system, highlighting how they interact. The main entities are user, admin, plant, and 3D model. User entity contain attributes like user ID, username, password, email, and bookmark. User can access information about plants and bookmark their specific plant of interest. Relationship between user and plant is many to one, as multiple user can access multiple plants. Admin. The entity consists of attributes such as admin ID, name, password, and role. Admin have capability to manage the system by modifying the plant. The relationship between admin and plant is one to many. Plant the entity relation. This entity represents plant data with attributes such as plant ID, botanical name, habitat, common name, medicinal use, category, cultivation. This entity serves as a central focus of the system, linking both user and admin. 3D model, it is linked to plant entity and contain attributes related to 3D representation of plants. Each plant is associated with 3D model one to one. This entity relationship diagram indicates that the user can access the plant data, admin can modify it, and every plant contain a unique 3D model for visualization.
Okay. So use case diagram. So the use case diagram highlights the system interaction with two primary actors, the user and the admin. It provides a visual representation of system's functionality and how each actor engages with them. Actors, user. User can log in to access systems feature, explore garden related data, through the Explore Garden module, views 3D model of the plants for detailed visualization, retrieves plant information, stores in the plant table. Admin has administrative privileges to manage the system and can add, modify, or delete data in the user table and plant table. Managers man, admin manages user details in the system, including login credentials. And the system components include the login, login, validation user credentials, provide access to user rules, exploration of garden, enables user to browse the garden, access relevant data. 3D model allows visualization of the plant details through 3D model, and plant table and user table store plant information and user related data. Hmm. Hello.
Data analysis and visualization. User engagement metrics analyzes popular plants, frequently accessed information, and user activity in the virtual garden. helps identify user interest to improve platform content and features, behavioral insights, analyzes user pathways, example, navigation patterns to determine which features are most and least used, improves website navigation and feature placement based on these insights. Personalized recommendations uses data to offer personalized plant recommendations based on user history preferences and engagement patterns.
So results and the findings. So the user has satisfaction and positive feedback on an ease of user accessibility and multi-language and audio features, and increased knowledge as as interactive content leads to better understanding and recall of medicinal plants benefit, and preference from visual learning. 3D model and visual interactions are preferred over static content by most of the users, and interest in sustainable practices. Users show high, heightened interest in eco-friendly practices after exposing herbal knowledge, and potential from community engagement. High demand for community features like user sharing and plant care tips.
These are the snapshots of a prototype. This is the home page. Next. This is the About Us section. This is the Explore section where you can explore different plants. Next. And this is the FAQ section where you can clear your doubts, the frequently asked questions. Next. This is kind of description that is available in English and Hindi. In this snapshot, we have shown the lavender description. The audio description is also available. This is a 3D model of the lavender plant. Next. The login page. Next. Of Vedicshala, educational resource, a platform for learning about medicinal plants and their Ayurvedic benefits. Second application is the health and wellness. It supports alternative medicine practitioners and help remedy enthusiasts. Third, it promotes sustainability. It promotes the eco-friendly practices and herbal gardening through virtual experiences. And the last but the most important, it promotes the cultural awareness. It preserves and shares the traditional Ayurvedic knowledge with a modern audience.
Our project is the Virtual Herbal Garden successfully bridges traditional Ayurvedic knowledge with modern technology. It provides an interactive educational platform for exploring medicinal plants and sustainable practices. The project promotes awareness and accessibility, supporting global audience interested in herbal medicine and eco-friendly lifestyles.
Okay, so the future scopes includes the mobile application, expanding to mobile app for broader accessibility, playground, the feature that allows user to grow their own herbs in the virtual environment, and augmented reality, introduction to AR to visualize plant in the real world settings, personalized recommendations offering plant suggestion based on user preferences, and community features like adding user forums, plant care sharing for a collaborative experience.
Here are some links and references that we took for the Vedic Shala application.
इसको क्रॉस करना। चालू
आ
कर,
गया।
चालू कर।
Ayurveda teaches us to live in harmony with ourselves, others, and environment. Therefore, go Ayurveda and use Vedicshala. Thank you.